All right, so kind of like our last one, we use simplifying the expression. And so what we're going to do is we notice that these don't look the same, but we can factor terms out of the numerator and we can factor terms out of the denominator. And hopefully when we do that, that's going to make it so we can cancel. So if we take what is common to 8 and 32, well, 8's common to both of them. And what gives us that? Well, that's going to be y minus 4. Well, what's common to both 6 and 24? Well, there's a 6 in both of them, and that gives us y minus 4. Okay, so again, let's change colors here to cancel. Well, our y minus 4 cancels our y minus 4. Now 2 will go in here 3 times, 2 will go in here 4 times, so then we get the answer 4 over 3. Okay, so on a lot of these, there's going to be some factoring involved. Sometimes it's, easy factoring. We just take out a common term, the 8, or in this case, the 6. And then we have two things that look the same that we can cancel easy, and then we just reduce the other one. Others, maybe, like these, we might have to do a little bit more. Sometimes they're pretty nice and they make it so you just have to factor out a term. Well, what's common to both of these? Well, in that first one, it's n. So if we pull out an n, what do we get? We get n minus 2. Well, what can we do here? Well, again, it looks like n is the only common term, and then we get n minus 4. Well, now in this case, we can't do a lot of canceling, and because of that, all we can cancel is n cancels the n, and this is then what we're left with, n minus 2 over n minus 4. Now, we can't reduce that anymore because that whole term is not the same as that one, so we can't reduce it. So again, it's just n minus 2 over n minus 4. So don't try to cancel n's and 2's and 4's and all that. You can't do any of that. That's as far as it goes because those have to be the same top and bottom to be able to cancel. All right, let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.